The P0128 OBD code means that the engine's temperature is too low for too long, which can cause poor performance and poor fuel efficiency. This may be caused by a faulty temperature sensor or a thermostat that is stuck open. To fix it yourself, start by checking the coolant level and topping it up if necessary. Then, locate the temperature sensor and check its connections and wiring. If everything looks okay, you can test the resistance of the sensor using a multimeter. If the resistance is not within the manufacturer's specifications, you will need to replace the sensor. If the sensor is okay, you can check the thermostat by removing it and testing it in hot water to see if it opens and closes as it should. If the thermostat is faulty, it will need to be replaced. Fixing the P0128 code yourself requires some basic knowledge of car maintenance and electrical systems. You will need to be comfortable using a multimeter and working with engine components. If you are unsure or uncomfortable, it is best to take your car to a mechanic who can diagnose and fix the issue for you. Owning an OBD2 scanner is a valuable investment for any car owner, as it can save time, money, and effort in diagnosing and fixing issues with the vehicle. With an OBD2 scanner, you can easily read and interpret diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that the car's computer generates when a fault is detected. This can help you pinpoint the exact problem with the vehicle and avoid unnecessary repairs or trips to the mechanic. Additionally, an OBD scanner can provide real-time data on the engine's performance, such as fuel efficiency, air-to-fuel ratio, and RPMs, which can help you optimize your driving habits and save money on gas. Overall, owning an OBD scanner gives you more control over your vehicle's maintenance and performance, making it a valuable tool for any car owner. There are affiliated links in the description for the tools and parts mentioned in this video. Please click the like button and leave a comment as it really helps us on this channel, and if you want more videos like this, please click subscribe. Thanks.